I think I got my first drum set when I was maybe 11 years old. I saved up maybe $100 worth of birthday money from a few years. Once you start being the drummer, you kind of never are not the drummer. My name's Dewey Raposo. I'm the drummer and vocalist for the Cosmic Factory, and I am a producer at Rhode Island PBS. In 2020, I realized I had the potential to start this show at Rhode Island PBS, and I was lucky enough to get the green light to spearhead Ocean State Sessions in fall of 2020. At first, we had started the show pretty low budget. We were just doing sort of singer-songwriters, small ensembles, and from there we were able to really expand on it, and we've been able to push it forward for now 5 seasons. The band practices at a tattoo parlor, and attached to the tattoo parlor is actually an arcade game room. There's a giant Connect 4, oh my god. So Mike Lee and myself all went to East Providence High School. This one's going in the 10K, baby! Oh. We all graduated probably within a 4-year span of each other, connected after high school, and started the Cosmic Factory sometime around 2009, 2010. Let's see what we got. Yo.
I like that one there with the hair.
Yeah, this guy with the mohawk right over here. Oh, what?
Told you, master!
You gotta be kidding. No way. It's definitely been a wild ride for the 3 of us. I mean, 14, 15 years in a band together. My boy. Oh. Oh yeah. If I had to put a genre on the Cosmic Factory, I would say it's rock. Another way to describe it might be like some kind of psychedelic rock jam band hybrid. We just do so many different things all the time. I think the best part of being in this band is the camaraderie. The 3 of us have always just been able to really just stick it out and, you know, be friends and sort of always be ourselves all the way back through high school, and I don't really think that's ever going to change, and it's been a really awesome experience, I think, for all 3 of us.